Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will be showing you how you can host your WordPress website for almost 3 months on Google Cloud platform for free. So before they were providing a credit of $300 for a whole year, but now they have reduced that span to the 90 days. So to do that, you must have a valid Google Cloud Platform account with a Visa or MasterCard is essential for that, and then only you will get the credit of $300. So now I have already created my account. Just if you have created your account, then you can follow along with me. If you have not created the account yet, just create it. That's a pretty simple process to create Google Cloud Platform account. And now click on navigation menu in order to deploy virtual CPU with WordPress, and just go to the marketplace where you have various products that Google Cloud Platform provides under the infrastructure as service or software as a service. So now we are here for WordPress. Search for WordPress. Yeah, it may take few seconds depending on your internet speed. Yeah, now here is the result. Just go down and down, and here we will be going for this version. Okay, so it's WordPress Google Click to deploy virtual machines. Just click on that. Yes, so here is the overview and the pricing, support, that is pretty much all about documentation. So you can see here that we are about to spend 2,684.46 Indian rupees per month. Okay, they have stated the exchange rate here, which is for 1 USD. For $1 you will get a 72.32 rupees. Okay, so you can go and read all this stuff, but we can just continue with launching. Okay, so by clicking on launch button, you will be proceed to the next dashboard where you can choose the configuration of your machine that you going to launch. Okay, so here it is showing me the deployment name. You can write whatever you want, or the domain name that you are supposed to host on. Okay, so again they are showing us the zone where the server is located. It's US West 4. Okay, that pretty much differs the price. If you go with any of the instance that is from East, so it will definitely cost you less. Yeah, so here you can see the change in price. Okay, now the machine type, you can obviously go with anyone which you want, but in my case I don't need that much power to hold my website. Or you can just choose any of the options here, or depending on the traffic that comes to your website. Okay, it can handle all your primary needs. Okay, it is the small shared CPU. Okay, with the 1.7 gigabytes of memory. So or otherwise you can customize, you can choose as per your requirement. Okay, so I have chosen 2 gigabytes of memory. Okay, so let's back to the basic view. Then again they have changed his. Okay, for now I'm choosing this one. You can choose as your need. Now the cost has reduced, so with the less cost, if you're not receiving that much traffic, with the less cost, you can also go with 2 or 3 virtual machines where you can you can host your various websites if you has already. Okay, so now I'm entering my email address. You should also do the same. Okay, let's keep this box tick. Install PHP admin. We are going to need that. Now it's a boot disk, so as per our need we can increase the boot disk size. That will affect in the increase of cost per month. Okay, so now I'm just keeping it that way, so to have a less amount per month to be billed. Okay, now allow HTTPS traffic from the internet. As you are having a website on WordPress, you should have the HTTPS traffic to visit your website, and then it's of some meaning to host a website on WordPress. Okay, now just click on deploy. Keep these two boxes unchecked and just click on deploy. Now it will take few seconds depending on your internet speed. Yeah, now you are ready with your deployment. Here is all the details you need to know about your virtual instance. Yeah, WordPress 2 is being deployed. Just wait a few seconds. Once it get deployed, everything here will be visible. Now the site address and admin URL are pending, but they are just going to be visible in few seconds. Okay, from here you can stop the deploying, but we don't want to do that. In my case, this is my second instance, that's why they are showing me WordPress 2. Otherwise you can just customize with name. Okay, so I have allocated they have allocated me a site address. It's the IP address. On clicking that, I will be ready to see my WordPress. Okay, so I just click that, and this is my WordPress site. Currently it's just an IP address and it is not secure, so you need to connect it with your domain. I will also show you that. That's also a pretty much easy task to do. Okay, and the other URL, that is admin URL, here it is. You can visit your WordPress admin dashboard. Okay, so now we can see this. So these credentials are clearly mentioned here. You just need to copy them. Okay, you can see WordPress admin user, that is the email ID that we have provided, and WordPress admin, it is mentioned here. So just copy this, the password, and yeah, nice. You can see your dashboard, your WordPress WP admin dashboard. Now you can do whatever you want with your site. You can take backup from already existing site, or you can just connect the domain to it to host the brand new website.